Hey friends, a lot of users are asking for GPT-Zero review and whether it's the best detection tool or not. Now, here are reasons that I actually rate it high. Saying that it's the best would be, if you start comparing it with Originality AI has much better options. But when I started comparing the results of both of them, I noticed that this one GPT-Zero was somewhat better than that. Okay, so we will check for content on other websites. Let us try to open some website. Okay, now this I know is not written by uh, AI because it is a company website. So let us check this. Click on scan. We'll wait till it scans. And it says that it is moderately human. Now, here's what they must have done. It must have been human and they would have added some touches from AI and all. So, this is what GPT-0 does. In my case, I believe that most of the searches that I made on GPT, for most of the searches that I made on GPT-0, for content that was written by an ESL writer, it almost always said that it's human because there were imperfections. And for something that was explicitly generated using ChatGPT, it always said that is AI generated. But if the article was edited well and it was almost perfect, it would still call it human, but the score wouldn't be 100%. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.